So this video was solely going to be about replacing this and making something work, but unfortunately we've had to use the original power nozzle, which doesn't look the best. The only thing I was able to get out of that other one, as you guys saw, was just the brush roll. So this will go into the scrap metal bin for motors. We do have a couple other things we can do to this unit. And one of them is getting this old ratty hose off. So we pull that off, and then we have a tab back here. These things always like to fight. There it is. So that's out. Got this much better condition, newer one here, so we'll go ahead and install this. That red tab locked into place. There we go. That part is thankfully done. I'll get this all wrapped back up here in a second. So now we've got the bin, which honestly I don't know which one is not as dirty. This is original to the machine, but looks pretty gross at face value. Yeah, this little tab here is broken off, but this filter is good, so we'll keep the filter. This one I can probably make look a little bit better. Bin door comes off just fine, so we'll probably end up using this one instead. This filter is dirty, but we'll throw it in the old one. Alright, so that's about as clean as I care to make it. We're going to go ahead and pull apart the Cyclone. So, but before we do that, I'm going to pull this little button off. The spring under here does like to shoot off, so be really mindful of that. So we're just going to undo this. This one's new enough that it's coming off pretty easily so far. They normally don't behave like this. Also, don't lose this spring. Not hard to lose that either. But yeah, this thing is pretty filthy. So we'll get all the big stuff off of this first with the vacuum. Then I'm going to take the air compressor to it. All right, I'm gonna go fire up the air compressor, be right back. Just gave this thing an air compressor bath. About as clean as I care to get it. I'm not going to waste any more time on a machine that I'm probably just gonna end up donating at the end of it. All right, we gotta put the spring back in, which fell out, so that just goes in just like this. I'm gonna have to wait till I get the rest of it back on, which is fine. Just have to, everything is lined up as best as possible. And from memory, there is a trick that I used to do with these. That's kind of wedging something in here to hold the spring down while you get it back in place. we go. It's back in place. There it is. Let's try this thing out. Got a bunch of junk on the floor. Picked up all that junk just fine. So this thing's more or less done. If I ever find a better nozzle for it in the time that I actually own this machine, I will probably replace it if it's in better shape. But if not, kind of is what it is, unfortunately. Stay tuned for more videos.